Hello, this is Troy York with Hip Discovery on how to replace a battery for a Cadilliac Key Fob or remote. So we're going to take the flathead and the 2032 Energizer batteries, and we're going to go ahead and press this little tab here that you can see. This is going to pop the key out. And once you get the key out, you're going to see this little slit here. And this is where we're going to end up putting the flathead. So you're just going to pry out here. Once you get it open here, that'll be good, just a little bit. And then you can take your hands and just pry it apart here. Just be careful. Then here's the battery right here. And then we have the motherboard piece right here. And then that's the back side of the motherboard. And that goes towards the battery. So might as well get that in place now. You can see the butt. There's protruding elements there. And then here is the battery, and we're just going to go ahead and pop this out from the corner. Put it in the corner and then just pry up, flips out, and don't forget to get this little metal clip. If it happens to come out with the battery, just pull that apart. You're going to set that back in there. Now once you got that all nice and tight in there, you can go ahead and grab your 2032 new battery. And then on the new battery, just peel off the back sticker here, like so. And then make sure the Energizer is facing down, so the brand is facing down. And then you just pop that bad boy back in. Make sure you have the motherboard right, like I said. And then you just line it back up together. And then you're just going to squeeze it back together. And then it usually pops the top off, so I'd start with the bottom. That's what I noticed. And then once all corners are pushed in tight, you can throw the key back in there. Just slide it back in, and that is how you replace a battery. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment on what you'd like to see next. Thank you.